What's up, y'all? Okay, y'all, Dollar Tree keep putting out different stuff. I was gonna let y'all make it. I said, you know what? I already have done 2 Halloween Dollar Tree hauls, but you know what? I want to keep y'all informed so y'all can be on the lookout, because this stuff going fast and all these Dollar Trees keep coming up with different things. I haven't been to one Dollar Tree yet that have the same items, okay, guys? So I'm also going to mix in a little bit of 99 only cent store as well. But it's not that many items. But it goes with what I found at Dollar Tree. So let's get started, guys. Okay, y'all already, maybe y'all don't know. This is my updated, what the heck is it called? Pegboard. Anyway, it's my own personal Dollar Tree, as you can see. So this first item I got, this is from the 99 cent only store. And I thought these were just too cute. Now, I'm not necessarily going to use this for Halloween, but I went on and picked that up, guys. Next item is from Dollar Tree, y'all. These are the cookie cutters. This was the first time I actually saw them at a Dollar Tree. I think even on their website, they say they're sold out. But for $1, I thought that was real cute, guys. Look how cute they are. So I had to go ahead and pick that up. Now I also got these from the 99 only cent store. The cute little pumpkin little pails. And I thought these was cute too. But once again, I think we're gonna DIY these. I'm not sure yet, but I couldn't pass them up. I thought those were so freaking cute, guys. And they're plastic. I'm trying to show them the right way because, you know, I don't know how y'all OCD is set up, but I be like to see it the right way. Okay, look at it. Ha! Cuteness. Okay, y'all. Your girl gonna have to stretch a little bit to get one of these. This is from the 99 only cent store. Y'all, only 99 whatever. How cute are these syringe shot? They're syringe shots. For $1, guys. I thought that was so freaking cute. Y'all swear to God, I'm gonna have a Halloween party, right? But when you see it, you have to get it. You don't know. It might come in handy one day. But I thought these were so freaking cute. So they only had 2 packs, and guess what? Your girl got 2 packs. How about that? But I thought those were so freaking cute. 99 only cent, only 9, whatever this store is called. Okay, y'all. Now, this is what I said went with the syringes. Y'all, how cute are these drink pouches? Now, this is from Dollar Tree. I only have seen these once at one Dollar Tree, y'all. Now, they did have a nice amount at this particular Dollar Tree, but I said, you know what? I'm just going to get 2. I'm not going to be greedy. But for 4 bags... And how cute is this? A little ivy thing. Y'all know this would be so cute for a party, guys. So freaking cute. Okay, guys, this is my last Halloween item. Now, he is not from Dollar Tree or 99 cent only store, but he is from Goodwill. And I just wanted to share him with y'all since this is hopefully going to be my last Halloween haul video, okay? So, like, we're going to throw him in there. But I thought he was so freaking cute. He gave me that vintage feel. And I just thought this was a cute. Now, I put, like, one of them glow-in-dark beads from Dollar Tree, ha ha ha. And I thought I'd just add a little simple effect, but I got another idea that I'm going to do with that. But that's my little vintage like kitty cat. He's so cute. He like a bobblehead type. Really not, but it really is. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.